can make videos, no, should make pictures also. You can see it's very spontaneously just start drawing. So this is what they call freehand drawing.
That's cool.
And if you see each and every batik made by the person, they'll have their signature on it.
How do they color it?
So after the first stage, this is the first stage.
Yeah.
Okay, drawing one complete. So a part of coloring the designs, they also give a background color, the base color for the cloth. This they just started. So you can see the color, because they mix with water, when they put one drop, it spreads out. So that's why they use the wax. So the wax prevents from it going out of the design. And at the same time, it gives the colors on both sides.
Both sides of the cloth.
Yes, you can sit down and see. So after all are colored, it looks like this. This is a completed version, fully colored. Okay, now they leave it for drying. Yeah. Alright. So after dry, they apply the whole cloth with sodium silicate to fix the color. If now you take a pail of water, you pour inside all the colors pretty. So the sodium silicate